Today we're making these rum raisin chocolate balls, which are perfect to make for Christmas or any other festive season. These are all the ingredients you're going to need, so let's get started. First, you're going to take the raisins and pour the rum over them and let them sit for about an hour. You can also use any other alcohol or grape juice if you want an alcohol-free version. Then in another bowl, take the chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate, but you can use dark chocolate as well. Add in the butter and the fresh cream. Then bring some water to a simmer and place this bowl over it and stir until everything has melted and combined. Then take the mixture off the water. Add in the soaked raisins. And mix them in. Refrigerate the mixture for 3 to 4 hours till it's set. And then you're going to scoop out a tablespoonful of the mixture and roll it into a ball using your hands. And then coat it with some cocoa powder so that it is not sticky. And that's it, your rum raisin chocolate balls are ready to enjoy. This is such an easy but delicious recipe that is surely going to bring a smile to so many faces. I really hope you try this, and I'll see you soon with a new recipe. Bye!